Today we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Among Us app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and then you're looking for uh, Among Us app here. You just click on it here or just click on search. Then here at Among Us, you just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here. Just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. You search here for Among Us. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here if this, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.